That's not true. There's big ones and small ones, and they form clouds, and they can even go up to the ceiling.
Clouds of snot?
But we don't see it.
They're microscopic, and they contain little virus particles. And so if we're in a room, say at a Thanksgiving dinner,
Right.
and I do this, I could infect the entire room.
But there's a proper way, right? Some people, I know they put their hand over their mouth, but they say that's not the good way. Some people put their hand in there,
You
you know,
do
kind
that.
of do a little dab.
Dad.
It's called sneeze etiquette. And you
Okay.
must follow proper sneeze etiquette.
So which is it?
Well, if you have tissues available, use the tissues. If you don't, then you apply the upper arm and you go like this, like that.
Dr. Mike, I
Yes.
realized you just did the dab.
You did. You just did the dab.
You just dabbed them.
Do it again. Okay.
There we
Like
go.
that.
That should go viral.
And what you do is then you have to